Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by mapping the fretboard deliberately. Learn open strings E, A, D, G, and visualize frets 0 through 12. Once done, memorize octave repeats and use the 3rd and 5th fret anchors to find roots quickly. Practice naming each note on a single string out loud as you play it. This builds ear and muscle memory together. Make short drills, 5 minutes of single string note recall, then 1 minute of random fret identification to cement recognition. Now push beyond labels into recognition. Play one-string drills naming notes sequentially up to the 12th fret, then jump to random frets and identify them. Once comfortable, practice interval shapes, perfect fourths, fifths, and octaves, because they map consistently across strings and speed up note finding. Make sure to connect these shapes to scales and arpeggios, practicing the same note names within each pattern, so you understand both where and why notes relate to each other. Finish by integrating note knowledge into real playing. Learn simple bass lines and locate each note by name rather than by feel. Once done, add timed 1-minute rapid naming tests per string to increase recall speed under pressure. If you get stuck, slow down, isolate the problematic fret or string, and drill that tiny area until the name and location are automatic. Make sure to reinforce with ear work. Sing the note name before you pluck so hearing and fingering along.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.